Number 18 to number 22. Number 22 back to number 18. Number 18 back to number 0 with a 3-point. Too much. Nakakuha ni number 8. Naigi magagawa back to number 5. Number 5. Number 18 pass to number 69 to number 22 with 15 seconds to shoot to number 0. Number 0 to number 69, 10 seconds. Tinira, nagulakuha din number 0 and that is 2 points. Anim po ang kalamangan with 3 minutes and 10 seconds to play on the final OT. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5 with number. Nakukuha ni number 22. Number 22. This is your time to shine. To Mira. And nakukuha ni number 0. Kasi number 22 with a jump shot. And that is another 2 points. Bro, pag tinawagan kayo ni referee, auto-technical po yun. Number 8 with 15 seconds to shoot. Number 8, 10 seconds to shoot. Very nice to that shot. Nakuha din number 7, pass to number 22. And that is an easy goal from Gillette. Ang score, 92-94 in favor of Bangkal Wolves. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 1. Umahatake si number 11. 5 seconds to shoot. With a 3-point shot. To the ball game for our second OT. With 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining on the second overtime. Good shot. Good shot. Second shot, ready rebound. Second shot, ready rebound. Apat na po ang kalamangan ng team Bangkal Wolves. Alright. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasakay na na siya ni number 5. Number 5. Nagmamadali. That is an easy double para. Nakukuha ni number 24. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 18. With a 3-point. Nakukuha ni number 22. Pass to number 11. With 14 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni number 27. Number 27. Number 27. And number 23 nakuha ni number 0. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Back to number 8.